Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Option A. C.V. Raman. Option B. Homi J. Bhabha. Option C. APJ Abdul Kalam. Option D. Vikram Sarabhai. Answer is option C. APJ Abdul Kalam. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Option A. Earth. Option B. Saturn. Option C. Jupiter. Option D. Neptune. Answer is option C. Jupiter. The Chipko movement was related to option A. Saving electricity. Option B. Preventing deforestation. Option C. Reducing pollution. Option D. Protecting rivers. Answer is option B. Preventing deforestation. Who invented the telephone? Option A. Alexander Fleming. Option B. Alexander Graham Bell. Option C. Thomson Edison. Option D. James Watt. Answer is option B. Alexander Graham Bell. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Option A. Oxygen. Option B. Nitrous oxide. Option C. Carbon dioxide. Option D. Helium. Answer is option B. Nitrous oxide. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Option A. China. Option B. Japan. Option C. Korea. Option D. Thailand. Answer is option B. Japan. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Option A. Sarojini Naidu. Option B. Sonia Gandhi. Option C. Indira Gandhi. Option D. Pratibha Patil. Answer is option C. Indira Gandhi. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? Option A. Lungs. Option B. Heart. Option C. Liver. Option D. Kidneys. Answer is option D. Kidneys. The currency of Germany is option A. Pound. Option B. Dollar. Option C. Euro. Option D. Yen. Answer is option C. Euro. Who discovered the electron? Option A. J. Thomson. Option B. James Chadwick. Option C. Ernest Rutherford. Option D. Niels Bohr. Answer is option A. J. Thomson. Which is the longest river in the world? Option A. Amazon. Option B. Nile. Option C. Ganga. Option D. Yangtze. Answer is option B. Nile. Which planet is called the red planet? Option A. Mercury. Option B. Venus. Option C. Mars. Option D. Jupiter. Answer is option C. Mars. Who is the author of Discovery of India? Option A. Mahatma Gandhi. Option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C. Rabindranath Tagore. Option D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer is option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. The first Indian to win a Nobel Prize was option A. Mother Teresa, option B. C.V. Raman, option C. Rabindranath Tagore, option D. Amartya Sen. Answer is option C. Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the national animal of India? Option A. Lion, option B. Tiger, option C. Elephant, option D. Peacock. Answer is option B. Tiger. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Option A. Europe, option B. Australia, option C. Antarctica, option D. South America. Answer is option B. Australia. In which year did India gain independence? Option A. 1942, option B. 1945, option C. 1947, option D. 1950. Answer is option C. 1947. The SI unit of force is option A. Joule, option B. Newton, option C. Pascal, option D. Watt. Answer is option B. Newton. Who is called the father of the nation in India? Option A. Subhash Chandra Bose, option B. Jawaharlal Nehru, option C. Mahatma Gandhi, option D. Sardar Patel. Answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the fastest land animal? Option A. Horse, option B. Tiger, option C. Cheetah, option D. Leopard. Answer is option C. Cheetah. Who was the first man to step on the moon? Option A. Neil Armstrong, option B. Yuri Gagarin, option C. Buzz Aldrin, option D. Michael Collins. Answer is option A. Neil Armstrong. The largest desert in the world is option A. Thar, option B. Sahara, option C. Gobi, option D. Kalahari. And the answer is option B. Sahara. Which Indian state is called the Spice Garden of India? Option A. Kerala, option B. Assam, option C. Tamil Nadu, option D. Karnataka. Answer is option A. Kerala. Who discovered gravity when an apple fell from a tree? Option A. Galileo, option B. Isaac Newton, option C. Albert Einstein, option D. Copernicus. Answer is option B. Isaac Newton. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Option A. K2, option B. Kanchenjunga, option C. Mount Everest, option D. Nanda Devi. Answer is option C. Mount Everest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.